Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about anti-corrosive protection measures. Which of the following is a common method of anti-corrosive protection? A. Heating. B. Cooling. C. Painting. D. Magnetizing. Pressurizing. The correct answer is C. Painting. What is the primary purpose of anti-corrosive protection measures? A. To increase the strength of materials. B. To prevent or slow down the corrosion process. C. To enhance the electrical conductivity of metals. D. To improve the aesthetic appearance of structures. E. To reduce the weight of materials. The correct answer is B. To prevent or slow down the corrosion process. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. What is galvanization primarily used for? A. Increasing the hardness of steel, protecting iron and steel from corrosion, improving the ductility of metals. D. Reducing the weight of materials. E. Enhancing the thermal conductivity of metals. The correct answer is B. Protecting iron and steel from corrosion. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.